This lesson is continuation of using discount, markdowns, and sale price and modeling it using a tape diagram. So this will be very similar to what you did yesterday. I wanted to let you know I was very pleased with some of the work that I received. There's just a few things I want to draw your attention to. So, a very nice job modeling the tape diagram. Again, this is a great tool that's going to help us. Here's the main thing that I need you to be concerned about today. Many questions ask us a specific thing. So, for instance, this question said, how much will the sale price be? And that means we only have to create this equation. We don't have to find the discount. You can if you want to, but some questions might ask you to find both, but other questions might ask you to just find one or the other. So one more time, just in case you were uncomfortable with this yesterday, I'd like to go ahead and demonstrate it. So we're going to start by reading the problem. A backpack that usually costs $35 is on sale for 20% off. How much would the sale price be? So we only need to find what we're going to pay. So let's look at what they gave us. They told us that the cost of the backpack is $30. So that means this entire tape diagram is worth $35. They also told us that we get to take 20% off, and that's given as a percent. So this tape diagram is worth 100%. So we're going to go ahead and take off about 20%. So I'm just going to eyeball it, and I'm going to call this part that I cut off 20%, which means that the other side, if I had 100% and I'm taking off 20%, the other part of the tape diagram would be worth 80%. And this is what is very important. This is the amount that we're going to pay. This is the sale price. And this percentage is the amount we're going to save. And actually, it's not what we're going to pay, it's the percent that we're going to pay of 35 and the percent that we're going to save of 35. So that's what we're charged with doing. We're trying to figure out what this means in money. So since they asked the sale price, we only need the percentage for what we're going to pay. So we're going to start our equation, part equals rate times total. And the part, we don't know yet. We're trying to figure out the part that we're going to pay. But we do know that we're using the pay percentage, which is 80. And we're going to use the total amount that would cost not on sale. Next, we need to convert the percent to a decimal. And so that would be 0 and 8/10 or 0 and 80 hundredths, whichever you prefer. And since side by side means multiply, we're going to multiply and get 28. So what we just found out is $28. So now let's look back at the question and make sure we've answered it. How much would the sale price be? So we could write the sale price would be $28. And now we've answered the question. So the other thing I wanted to mention is if I wasn't clear, I wanted you to try B and C on page 18 on your own yesterday, and I will post the key in this lesson so you can double check. But I was pleased with the people that have turned it in. I believe you're doing a very nice job. So take care. Make sure you read very carefully and answer the question as asked. Have a good afternoon. Bye-bye.